Standard 8 Maths Chapter 6 Squares and Square Root. Hello everyone. In last video I have completed exercise 6.1. Now we will see how to find a square of a given number. Okay. So how to find a square of a given number. Suppose we have to there is a number, say 42. We have to find its square. So in square I have told you square of 42 will be 42 raised to the power 2, or we have to just multiply this number by itself. Okay, this is we have to multiply it number by itself in to find a square. So this how to find a square? This 42 can be written as 40 plus 2, and there is a square since we have to find the square. So this is simply, but that is I've told you about the algebraic expression, that is a plus b whole square. So we have to apply this algebraic identity for finding this square. Okay. We can directly multiply by 42 into 42 like we used to do it in our earlier classes, but we have to apply identity here. So what is a plus b whole square? It was a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how it goes, like a square, that is in place of a we have 40, that is 40 square 2ab plus 2 into a we have 40 and b we have 2 plus b square, b is 2, so it will be 2 square. Okay, see 40 square, it is calculating is very easy. This is 4 into 4, that is 60, and for this 0 we have to just put 2 zeros. So I have told you, like if a number is having unit place, 0 at unit place, its square, resulting square will have 2 zeros and at the end. So this is very simple. You have to just multiply 4 into 4, 60, and you have to put 2 zeros. Okay, and now this is 2 into 40, that is 80, 80 into 2, that is 160. Clear? This 2 square is 4, so we can simply add. This is 4, this is 6, this is 7, 1764. The square of 42 is 1764. So this way we have to calculate. Okay. Now we'll take more examples. Like we have 23. We have to find square of 23. Okay. So that is 23 square. So this 23 can be written as 20 plus 3 whole square. Now we have a plus b whole square. We have a square, that is 20 square plus 2ab, that is 20 into 3 plus b square, that is 3 square. So 20 square, it is easy. 2 into 2 4, and for this 0 we have to put 2 0 at the end. So this is when we multiply this, it will become 120, and this is 9. So it is 9 2, this is 5. So square of 23 is 529. One more example. This is 39. So we have to find square of 39, that is 39 square. So this 39 can be written as 30 plus 9 whole square. So this is a square, that is 30 square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 30 into 9, and this is b square, that is 9 square. So this is 3 into 3, this is 9, and for this 2 0. Now this is when we multiply, it will become 540, and this is 81. So it is 1 2 10 15. So square of 39 will be 1521. I hope this is clear. Fine. Now this was a generalized case when unit place of a number can have any value, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 any. Now there is a specific case when a unit when a number have 5 at its unit place. It is very easy to calculate without even applying this identity. Suppose this is we have 25. So we have to find the square of 25. So what we have to do? First we will write 25 into last, that is square of 5. We have just writing 25 at the end. Clear? Now number before that, what will be? Now this is 25, that is 5 square. We have written 25 at the end. So before that we are writing this is 2. So we will multiply 2 into its next number, that is 3. So 2 into 3, this is 6. So we will write 6 over here. Okay. If we say one more example we are taking, that is 35. So square of 35 will be, so first we will write 25 at the end. Now before that we will write this is 3 and we will multiply by its next number, that is 3 into 4. We will write 3 into 4, this is 12. So we will write 12. Similarly, if we are writing the square for 65, this is 65 square will be 25 at the end. Now this 6 into its next number, that is 6 into 7. 6 into 7, that is 42. So the square of 65 will be 4225. Similar, if we are considering some bigger number, that is 115. So we have to calculate square of 125. 115 will be 25 at the end. So we will multiply this 11 into its next number, that is 12. So it will be 132. So the square of 115 will be 13225. So similarly we can calculate. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now there is one important topic, Pythagorean triplets. So how to find Pythagorean triplets and all. Okay, Pythagorean